Introducing the new Bosch Click and Go storage system, the intelligent and flexible storage and transport solution.
Getting out of my truck, I'm not pulling a little from here, a little there. I just grab the box and go.
Handle everything from the workshop to the job site and back again.
One little toolbox, what does that hold? You've got all this right here.
Flexibility, efficiency, and quick access to the right tool for the job.
You're not hunting around on the ground looking for everything, you know, it's all organized. We're right here.
Now more than ever, pros know time is money.
Click and Go system is all about efficiency.
You got material everywhere, you're gonna be rebuying stuff.
It takes our productivity through the roof, actually.
L-boxes feature single-click stacking.
It's nothing more than just basically stacking it right on top of each other. Click it, and let's go.
Easily lock and unlock cases together for maximum portability.
So if I want to depart and just bring my screws and my screw gun because I'm walking upstairs, I can limit instead of having to carry this jumbo stack of my toolbox.
Build your own system.
All these great, you know, where you can store whatever you want.
The inserts are great.
Mix, match, and adapt to your needs with optional drawers, organizers, and tool storage inserts.
I'm not going to open up and everything's been folded like a deck of cards.
Tired of lugging around awkward toolboxes and messy buckets? Get organized with the new Makita interlocking cases. These cases not only protect your tools, they also get you organized with a stackable design to unclutter your work and storage areas. Corresponding channels along the top and bottom of each toolbox are engineered to provide a stable platform that keeps the cases from sliding or rolling around your storage space. Need to move multiple toolboxes at once? Not a problem. Interlocking latches secure them together for easy storage and moving. Just snap them together and they're ready to go. No more juggling oddly shaped cases around. Use the low-profile top handle or recessed side handles to conveniently move all your tools at once. They're available in 4 sizes with optional customizable foam inserts for added protection. The interlocking cases have got your tools covered.
Build your system the way you want with Milwaukee Packout, the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Milwaukee Packout revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on the job site. Packout is the first multi-footprint system providing true modularity, allowing you to stack and lock boxes, organizers, and totes in any configuration that works for you. The base of the system is the Packout Rolling Toolbox, featuring 9-inch all-terrain wheels that have been designed to easily roll over a variety of rough job site surfaces. An industrial-grade extension handle supports box loads up to 250 pounds and features a wide handle, giving you a more comfortable grip during transportation. All Packout toolboxes are constructed with impact-resistant polymer and IP65 rated seals to prevent damage from water and job site debris. Packout organizers are designed to connect to any of the Packout system components and include removable bins to maximize organization. These bins can also be mounted to common job site materials with integrated screw slot. Milwaukee Packout, the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.